Australia, and I'm from Natural Science Department. Are you interested in the future life? My presentation topic for today is predicting future 100 years from now. And I especially want to talk about the future technology because technology is what really changes our life. In 1990, when a computer was just a huge calculating machine, Steve Jobs exactly predicted that internet and personal computer were coming.
Drive people to get computers in every house, just like we tell them.
But computers then won't be just computers. Radios, stereos, TV.
No, I think they'll be just computers. Just like your phone isn't your television set. Just like your toaster isn't your radio.
It took only about 10 years his prediction to be realized, but it's always a great and exciting thing to exactly predict our future. So from now on, I want to introduce 3 very possible future techniques, and I hope this presentation could give you the insight into the future of the world. So let's begin. The first one is the environmental technology. Humans will begin to divide carbon dioxide into carbon and oxygen. This process may look pretty easy, right? But obviously it is not. We need to develop a very elaborate electrolysis technology and a pure dissolvent. But within 100 years, people shall be breaking a massive amount of carbon dioxide with this innovative CO2 converter. So, benefits. We'll naturally have no global warming because which is mainly caused by carbon dioxide, and we'll also don't need to worry about lack of fossil fuels because we'll continuously make the carbon, and we even don't need to worry about deforestation because we'll make our own oxygen instead of plants. So this is very marvelous invention. It will change the whole concept of people's attitude toward the environment. So, let's move on to the second technology. The second one is space technology. We will not use rockets or spacecrafts anymore to go out to space in the future, but we will use the space elevator. How? So, this is the elevator, this is the elevator tower, and here is an International Space Station orbiting the Earth. Then, boom. Yes, people will so easily go to the outer space with this high-tech elevator. This extremely high elevator tower will be made of new material that is 100 times stronger than steel. This technology will reduce the cost because we don't have to throw the spaceship away every time we go out to the space. And of course, it will decrease the risk of launching failures. In addition, it will activate the space industry because so many people, a lot of people will visit the space with this amazing space elevator. Now let's move on to our last invention. The third one is a residential technology. People will go deeper and deeper to make the underground city. So, why do we go to the underground? Why should we live in such a cold and stuffy place? Thanks to the development of medical science and improved quality of people's life, people nowadays live much longer than before. As a result, the overpopulation of the world will become more serious, and it will naturally cause the lack of empty space above the ground. So the solution I suggest here is the underground city. The underground world will provide limitless potential of empty place to live. So for that, we'll first need an artificial sunlight system to maintain the optimal temperature and the brightness. need an enormous ventilation system to help more than millions of people to breathe oxygen under the ground. So that's it for the third technology. And to summarize, please just remember these three things: CO2 converter, space elevator, and the underground city. And let's see if any of these predictions being realized within our lifetime. So how was your totally free travel to the future? If you have any questions, please contact me by this email. Hope you had a great time, and I'll end my presentation.